Okay, so next we can take a look at the action plan tracker in Google Appsheet. So basically I'll be clicking on database tab and create a new database. There are multiple ways to do this. You can also go to create the database, new database. Either one of these options should work. Now I will rename this to MyDB. Right now, next is creating a table. Now for table, I will be naming this particular table in table settings as action plan. Right, once you save this particular table, you are good to go. Now what I will do is I will just delete the column that I don't need. Right, and here I will start with the task column, which is text. I will put it in a label. I'll also get rid of unwanted column there. Right, next is adding the phase. Now phase could be a drop down, so I will use enum. Here I will add those values such as planning the phase, executed, then pending. Right, and other. Once you have all these, you can save this. Next is you can see assign to as one of the columns. Then in another column I'll be using date. Right, so I will add date, and next is duration, and even for duration I will go to date and then choose duration, and then next would be cost. So cost could be a number. You can also have price, that would also work, and finally I will have notes. You can also add one more column, which is your department if you want that is, but I will leave it as is. Now I can also get rid of unused table like this, so I will select delete table. Right, only keep the table that you are using. Right, now what I will do, I will go into the main dashboard here and I will refresh it, and you will notice the database is created with one table. So I will go to create, then app, and then start with the existing data. Here I will be naming it action plan tracker, and then use planning and project, choose your data. Here I can use Appsheet database, then use that database table action plan. Now click create app. It will take a second or two to formulate the structure, and then it will show you the view where we can format some of the options there. Right, now another thing is I can close this, considering we don't have any data. So you can always close by clicking this top. Now go to views. Here I can add action plan tracker, and then choose tabular view. Then sort by option I will remove, group by option I will remove. Right, then I will save this structure and go to desktop view so that I can show you how to add the entries. Now if I click on add, here you can see task 1, then phase, pending, assigned to, and then person's name. Right, then right, and then cost, let's say 8.99. then I will save this. Then you have like task, its phase, assigned to, date, duration, cost. All of this is given to you. Now the next would be clicking on adding another entry and so on. Like this you can populate the entire action plan tracker. Right, so you get the idea how to create action plan tracker in Google Appsheet.